Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use the address book in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the full range of Outlook features, including the address book we'll be working with today. Once your emails have loaded and you're on your main Outlook screen, you'll need to access your email composition tools. To do this, look at the top left part of your screen and click on the New Email button. This opens up a fresh email composition window where you can draft messages and access various email tools. Now, from the email composition screen, direct your attention to the top part of your window. You'll see several tabs and options under the Message tab. Look for the Name section, and within that area, you'll find the address book icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is the key feature that opens your complete address book, which contains all your saved contacts in one convenient location. The address book makes it incredibly easy to add recipients without having to manually type email addresses every time. Once the address book opens, you'll see a list of all your contacts displayed in an organized format. This interface allows you to quickly search through and select the people you want to email. You'll notice there are separate fields for recipients, CC, and BCC, giving you full control over who receives your message and how. To add contacts to any of these fields, simply double-click on each contact name you want to include. Each double-click will automatically populate that contact into the appropriate field, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. You can add multiple contacts this way, building your recipient list quickly and efficiently without worrying about typos in email addresses. And that's how you use the address book in Outlook to streamline your email workflow and manage your contacts effectively. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.